Hey YouTube, how you all doing? Another project around the house. The task is to install a TV in our kitchen. This is our kitchen. So far, what I've done so far, cut a hole right there. It's going to be for my AC source. Found a stud right here. Install the mount, right? Here are the things I'm going to be installing. It's going to be for coax, low voltage. And here's that thing for to house my outlet, 15 amps. Behind this wall is our pantry. And again, there's a stud right here. And what I'll do is cut a hole right there. Hang tight. Right here. Let's do a flap cut. And what that means, it's at an angle. And I'm not going to cut a hole, but I'm going to leave the top one. And I'm going to lift it up like a little window to it. Check with your local code. Make sure that after you drill a hole through this fire block, that you put in a fire block sealant, right? There's two types of them out there. And I'll put a link below. But check your local fire code. Again, doing this at an angle versus a straight cut, because I'm doing a flap cut. And on this side, I'll be doing it in this angle. And then down below, upward. It's good enough. Then this side right here. There you go, the flap cut. Lift it up. Angled, angled, angled. I'm in my basement. That is my baseboard heater right there. I need to go all the way right here, about 16 inches, and I'll be in the right spot and drill up. There it is. The hole on the right, I actually encountered metal, and so I had to back it out and drill a hole just about 1.5 inches to the left, and able to get it through. Drill a hole, reach in, and drill. I fed the wire from downstairs and fish it out. Once you get this out, shove it into that hole that you drilled. Here it is. Feed it. Beautiful. Black to gold. Here it is, all set, good to go. Take a look. Got a coax there, low voltage, and I got my 115 outlet. Haha, I thought I was done. My wife wanted me to add shelf to it. Here you go, finished product. Take a look, fully installed. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Other than changing this ivory to white, I should be good. Thanks again. I'll chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Peace.